How to make a marketing strategy on BlueGPT. So you just need to head over and then sign up for an account on BlueGPT. And then for this case, I'll head over and use GPT-4. So for this case, I'll head over and then just put in here a prompt. So I have a prompt of make a very effective marketing strategy that involves ads, posters, and billboards. Our product is a blurring foundation for all skin types. So for this case, you just need to put in here your product and then say something like a catchy tagline is needed, and then send it to BlueGPT. So BlueGPT is actually a very good part or a very good thing that you can use. So as of right now, it actually centered for the actual thing, which is actually the Spanish thing that you want. But you can also change this language. For example, translate to English. So if the product that you're actually targeting is for Spanish, then this script is for you. But if you're targeting another ethnicity or another country, you can head over and then use this. As you can see, they will give you the marketing strategy. Here's the market research, audience segmentation, brand identity development, as well as tagline, instant perfection, beauty without filters. So digital ads, posters, content strategy, promotions, collaboration, and they also have an example of billboard ad that will provide you. So that's how you make a marketing strategy on BlueGPT. Hope we help.